Right, so here's the robot doing the things you asked for. I'm gonna hit play now, and you can watch it work. It's going to do all the things we discussed. The first thing is it's going to open up a browser and go to the SAM website. I just put one nicest code in here. You can do as many as you like, but this is just an example. All right, so it's going to filter by date within the next 1 month, the ones coming due. And then it's going to go ahead and grab all the contents of the members of that list. Okay, so all the entries it found are valid. It's gonna, you see them sticking it one by one and grabbing the key things that you had asked for, such as notice ID, department or agency, description, due date, original due date, all of that stuff. So it's going to do that for all of the entries. Um, and you'll see how many it found by the time it's done. So it's going through everything very quickly since you've already given it the parameters you want. So when it does that, it's going to now extract all that information that you said you wanted, such as notice ID, um, you know, nicest code, original due date, department, agency, first, or the contact person and email, phone, all of that, description. So it's doing that kind of simultaneously as it's doing this. So it doesn't matter how many entries it finds. If it's 100, 200, it's going to do them. It doesn't get tired. So it looks like it's finished with that and it's basically compiling the results. Um, so you will see, I mean, it looks like nothing is happening, but behind the scenes, it's writing. It's basically compiling all the stuff it's put together. Um, Towards the bottom of the screen, the taskbar, you'll see like a green thing that looks like a plus button there. That shows that it's still working behind the scenes. So when that disappears, we'll know it's done. And then I'll walk you through what it has done in this short time. Okay, so it looks like it's done now. So if I scroll down to the bottom of the screen, this tells me it took 4 minutes and 33 seconds to get all of this done. But what did it do is the question. So the first thing it did was when it went to the website, it looked for that nicest code, and it found, this means I think this is 19 entries, 19 different entries, right? So in other words, there were 19 results here. Okay, there it is. It shows here 19 results. So it got those, and then the next thing it did was, based on the parameters you gave to me, it extracted all of those entries. Now, I kind of designed this robot so that it deletes it, but it puts them in this book. And then after it puts them in this book, it now takes them and the things you said you wanted, it summarizes them here. Since you said you don't have, you can't give us access to the to where it's going, I've just kind of set them aside here so that whatever you want to do with them, we can take it to the next level. So that means we can ask it to copy from here and write it into your ERP, very easily, because it has extracted the important things. So I think you asked for notice ID, agency, original published date, original due date, original set aside date where there is, product service code, nicest code, place of performance if any, description, primary point of contact, email, and primary point of contact number. So it's pulled all of those things. Now there are some problems, like this active will normally appear where there's no number. So I have to teach it how to not write that instead of active. And then also this original set aside is not supposed to have anything in here. If it's blank, it's blank, So just a few glitches here and there, but this is just to show you that we're kind of on the path, very close to finishing what you wanted, and also to check with you if there's anything you wanted to add or remove or clarify. Yeah, so that's it. Here are your entries, 19 of them, and the key deliverables are out here. So let me know what you think, and if you have any feedback for us, sir, we are here to get it done. Thank you.